Want to become an amazing magician? Great! To do that, there's no need to study at Hogwarts or have your own magic wand. Although who'd say no to that? Just sit back and watch this magical video. Hey Jessica, look over here. Ooh. Were you hoping to impress me? And now, the cup. Now that's something. The trick's super simple, guys. It just calls for a hole in the cup and your thumb. Pour some distilled water into a bottle and slowly cool it. Then the magic happens. Bam! And the water turns into ice. Pretty cool, huh? Ooh, I think they're kissing. Ooh, that's painful. No, stop, man, don't do that. Oh, there was no guy here. Jess, you got us. Don't interrupt Kira's studies. That goes for all of you. Jess, as always, has something up her sleeve. Ooh, no, your arms, your joints, Jess. A monster has possessed her. I'll save you, my friend. Stop scaring me. Nothing too difficult here. Place your hands on the table like this and start twisting. Just don't mix up which way. Life's much easier with hands. Ooh, she's coming. Wingardium Leviosa. What? But how? Like that. I am all-powerful and magnificent. Phew. Good thing that worked. For this trick, you'll need the help of clear string tied to the buttons of the shirt. And more than just a bit of practice, too. Good luck. Wow, what a pretty ribbon. I want one. Kira, look, take this. Throw it around your neck. There you go. Now grab the ends with opposite hands. Oops. Oh no, something's not quite right. Worked for me perfectly. You go on and practice, dear. Now, we'll show you how it's done. Slowly grab it and lift it over your head and then switch your hands. Hold on, Kira, I'm a bit busy. Your money is flying away, is that right? Oh, here, now you can fly too. Sorry, the thread's a bit short. Take some tape and make 2 arches on the back of the bill and thread some string through them. Wrap one of the string around your finger and the other around your wrist for support. And everything is ready. Fly, money, fly. Now you will see it. Oh, come on, it's just a joke. Moving on. You know what? Any object you find can be turned into a magical one. Even a plain pencil. Kira is a master of pencil dancing. Not just anyone could get them to do that. What's your secret? How did you make it so bendy? Watch again. Dance. Cool. Yeah, I'm afraid, Jessica, that you can't just jump in. You need to know how it works. Give it a try. Ooh, ice cream. Can I have some? Fine then. I'll just chew on my fingers. Ew. Kira, you're ruining my appetite. And there goes a second one. No biggie. It's delicious too. Wait! Now keep going. Bam! It works. Working behind a desk is tedious, especially without tips and tricks to get through it. Look, Kira. 1, 2, 3. My turn? 1, 2. Nope, not right. Try again. Put your hands together and... maybe you should type first and then learn about it. We'll show you. Cross your hands, then grasp them together, and easy peasy. An ordinary quiet evening. Everything is calm and quiet. Darn, the remote is sleeping on the job. Maybe it needs new batteries? Yes, of course, batteries. Watch. Voila! Did you get it? Once more? Okay, you try to remove them, but no go. And now you try and bam! They're in your hand. Got it? At first glance, the secrets behind this won't be revealed. Will they, Jess? But that doesn't mean you can't keep trying. Bored. Nothing to do except... How did you do that? Let me try. I'll show you again, at no extra charge, too. And there you are. What you're gonna do is cross your fingers like this, and then quickly rearrange them without anyone seeing. This trick's a treat. Hey, Mike! Mike! Oh, come on, peel yourself away from your phone for a second. Give me some money. Mine seems to have run away. All right. Here you go. Watch this. Oh, a rip. And yet, look, the bill is whole again. Not a free trick, by the way. Thanks. Fold the bill so that the part on the inside, and then make it look like you're piercing the bill like this, leaving your friends terribly impressed. Down, and up, and down, and keep doing it until your audience figures it out. But you've, of course, already guessed the secret, haven't you? That's right. Her arm isn't in the sleeve at all. Hey, but the rest? Pure magic. Hey, Jess, look! Super fist! Watch closely. Hand, and then fist. You make a hand, cover it, and then a fist. It's like a spell. Wait 1 second. First this, and then do that. Something isn't working out for me. How? Watch closely. Make an OK sign, and then flip it upside down. Keep studying, Mikey. What a bouquet. Aw, so romantic. What is Mike going to do? All right, ice. Real ice? Wait a tick, that was water just a second ago. Is Mike some kind of Iceman? All right, how did you do it? We demand you tell us your magical ways. The trick is in the cup. Carefully pour some water into the cup, give it a stir, and sprinkle in some sand with the ice. And now you know. What kind of stretch is that, Jess? No way. Okay, I've been working out for 10 years, but I'll never be able to do that. That's impossible. But it's possible to joke around. Bam! That's it. You're all now super magicians along with our channel. Watch and work your magic. See you later, alligator.